Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will know more about Hillary Clinton and how she spends her $1,000,000. Hillary Diane Rodham Clinton is an American politician, diplomat, lawyer, writer, and public speaker who served as the 67th United States Secretary of the State from 2009 to 2013, as a United States Senator from New York from 2001 to 2009, and as First Lady of the United States from 1993 to 2001. Clinton became the first woman to be nominated for President of the United States by a major political party when she won the Democratic Party nomination in 2016. She was the first woman to win the popular vote in the American presidential election. However, she failed to win the Electoral College. Let's know more about Hillary Clinton. Full name Hillary Diane Rodham Clinton, nickname Hillary. Profession, she is an American politician. Born date is October 26, 1947. 74 years old as in 2021. Birthplace is Edgewater Hospital in Chicago, Illinois. Hometown Chicago, Illinois, USA. Sun sign Scorpio. Religion Methodist. Nationality American. School Park Ridge Main East High School 1964. Main South High School 1964 to 1965. College Wellesley College 1965 to 1969. Yale Law School 1969 to 1973. Educational qualifications: Bachelor of Arts with Departmental Honors in Political Science. Height 5 feet 6 inches equals to 167 centimeters. Weight 60 kg. Eye color blue. Hair color blonde. Father name is Hugh Ellsworth Rodham, American businessman, and mother name is Dorothy Howell Rodham, American homemaker. Brothers Tony Rodham, consultant, Hugh Rodham, lawyer. Profession politician. Marital status married. Husband name Bill Clinton, married in 1975. Kids name daughter Jalissa Clinton, born on February 27, 1980. Hobbies: swimming, home decor, gardening, playing Scrabble, doing crossword puzzles. Favorite politician: Martin Luther King Jr. Favorite quote: human rights are women's rights. Women's rights are human rights. Favorite food: hot sauces, DiFrazio Pizzeria in Troy, apple, burgers, ice cream, wine. Favorite film: Casablanca, The Wizard of Oz, Out of Africa. Favorite book: Fyodor Dostoevsky, The Brothers Karamazov, The Return of Prodigal Son. Net worth: her net worth is approx 120 million US. Car collection: she has so much luxurious and classical car collection. About her house: Whitehaven is a Clinton family owned mansion in Washington, D.C., used by Hillary Clinton when she is in residence in the capital. The primary Clinton home is in Chappaqua, New York. Built in 1955, the Georgian-style house is located near Washington Embassy Row. Some facts about Hillary Clinton. When Hillary was young, she was not interested in politics. She dreamt of becoming a baseball player, a journalist, and an astronaut. As a child, Hillary was a teacher's favorite and she earned numerous awards as a Girl Scout and as a Brownie. Hillary Clinton is the first presidential spouse to earn a postgraduate degree. She won the 1997 Grammy for Best Spoken Word Album for the audio version for a book, It Takes a Village. 19 times Hillary Clinton has been on the cover of the Time magazine. the most by any woman politician of the United States of America. According to the reports, Hillary hasn't driven a car since 1996. Thanks for watching our video. Please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel.